To turn on USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to open a settings on our phone and then scroll all the way down looking for the developer options. If you don't see it, then I recommend to watch our video on how to activate developer options for this specific Samsung model. It should be on the same channel that you're watching it on. Then we can click on it and right here scroll down looking for the USB debugging, and for me it's currently blocked by auto blocker. So if you cannot enable it, then look for the auto blocker. And you need to disable it. Then when it's disabled, we should be able to finally find it and activate USB debugging. And that is basically everything.